In Keonjhar's Telkoi block, heavy rain has once again submerged the Pitanodi bridge over Jorada Noda, severing road access to Sophalanji village. As water flowed 3 feet deep over the bridge this morning, school children were unable to reach schools. No proper drainage or flood proofing has been done. Locals allege that the same problem returns every monsoon. Meanwhile, IMD Bhubaneswar has warned of continued rainfall till July 19 due to twin low-pressure systems affecting Odisha's interior and northern belts. A yellow warning has been issued for 24 districts including Keonjhar, Baliswar and Bhadrak. Rainfall may reach up to 11 cm with gusty winds at 30 to 40 km per hour.